What's up everybody, Simon here. In this video, super excited to go over, unbox and review a popular webcam on Amazon. In fact, it's advertised as a 4K webcam that only costs about $39.99 or under $40 you could get it. It's the XPCam, the 4K model. So this is supposed to have 8 megapixels. It's supposed to be somewhat as good as the Logitech Brio, which I reviewed on the channel. You could check out that review. Today I'm excited because I have the Logitech Brio sitting on top of my monitor. I have the Logitech C922 1080p webcam sitting on top of my monitor, and we're going to do a comparison video with the XP webcam and see how well it does in comparison to the 4K Brio and the 1080p C22. We're going to go ahead and unbox this, and you'll see if it's worth spending $39.99 currently on Amazon. This thing has over 2,300 reviews, and it's supposed to be really good with dual microphones. We'll go over into the basics after all this, but before I get into this video, I always ask that you guys subscribe to the channel, like this video, it's the biggest favor you could do for us, and follow Tech Visibility on Instagram. Check out techvisibility.com as well for your latest product news and reviews. I do want to say we're going to test this thing in low light setting as well in comparison to the Logitech cams. So this is going to be a good review. Stay tuned, watch till the end. Let's get into it. Okay, so the packaging came in like this, and it's nothing special. It's just a recycled, looks like cardboard box. This is the most important part. On the side, it says XPCam. It has a barcode, and there is an app, I guess. I'm not sure what the app is for because this plugs into the computer. However, you got a 4K webcam, 8 megapixel HD computer camera with microphone, pro streaming web camera. There is a privacy shutter. Now, I like the fact that they include a privacy shutter. The Logitech Brio does, however the C22 Pro did not. We also reviewed the C270 that did not have a privacy shutter as well, and actually didn't do in low light setting. You could check out all those reviews on my channel. So pretty simple USB to connect. One thing I love about the Logitech cameras and a lot of these cameras is it's a USB-A simple plug and play to connect, and just select the drop down with any meeting software you have. So today I'm using Camtasia to record, and I will also record the XP webcam and its microphone and compare it to the 3 microphones on between the Logitechs as well. So we'll see which one's better. Okay, so we're unboxing it. Pops open like this. Looks like the privacy shutter's right here, and it's a little privacy shutter that comes on this webcam. Now, if this is as good of a webcam, you could get a 4K video. That would be amazing for $40, and I'm interested in it. Now, this also comes with a little tripod that's really nice. The webcam itself comes in this little bag to prevent from moisture, and this is how it looks. There is an instruction manual as well, and it's pretty simple. There's a front microphone, foldable stand, video recording, pause, play button. That's interesting. And then there is a screw thread for this tripod right here. So that's pretty simple, easy to mount and plug and play. Nothing really too technical here. I'm going to go ahead and put all this away. Let's look at the cord and the camera itself. Nice, sturdy rubber feel. This feels good as well. It's a little thinner than some of the Logitech brands. We're going to go ahead and remove the shrink wrap. And it does have 2 microphones. There's a microphone here and a microphone there. And this is supposed to be a 4K. It's made in China. I'm going to go ahead and remove the cable tie down and plug this in. I'm excited. This is a 4K webcam for only $40. Let's see if it's truly a 4K webcam, right? So we're going to have to adjust it. Pause and play, record. Weird. I don't know about this button, but we'll see if it's a good idea. Now, the shutter just pops over like this, and there's a little clip holding it in there. So it's a little inconvenient in my opinion. In comparison to the shutter on the other brands, it's a fold down, which is easy. So you could flip up and flip down. This one, I feel like, yeah, you could pop it in, but you would just probably have to move it to the side. And while it's on your monitor, it's not going to be convenient to do that, in my opinion. It's going to shake everything. So I'm gonna take this off for now. I'm not a fan of that privacy shutter. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on next to the cameras. There we go. All right, let's plug this in and let's see how she does. Now, when I plug this in, it says USB 2.0 camera. It doesn't name the camera in my Mac OS. There's probably no software to determine anything. Now, if you're using a Logitech Brio or a C922, you should get the Logitune software where you could zoom and play with things and so forth. So right now, we're gonna go ahead and compare this XPCam to the 922 and then to the Brio. Okay guys, I am recording on the XP webcam. This is how I look. This is supposedly a 4K webcam. Alright guys, so I recorded on the XP webcam and I'm gonna give this review a total dud. The camera keeps disconnecting from the software. It keeps losing signal. The little brief webcam that I was able to record using my software sounded horrible. There was a lot of lag in the webcam. I'm not sure if the webcam I have is personally defective, but this is a no-go. Don't waste your time. Do not ever take a meeting that's supposedly professional with an unprofessional camera. I'm not even gonna go ahead and do a review comparing it to the Logitech C922 and the Logitech Brio, which I also have hooked up here, and I'm gonna take and snap a photo for you guys to see that I actually was doing this test. But I'm gonna give this a no-go. Do not buy this XP webcam 4K. First of all, the brief little video I recorded, which is played, is not gonna be good enough in any scenario or setting. If you're taking a really professional meeting, you're gonna get laughed at, you're gonna have connection potential problems, and on top of that, it just didn't sound good and it just did not work well for me. The quality that it did record did not look as good as the Brio, not at all, and it did not look as good as the C922. Do yourself a favor, invest some money in a quality webcam. Check out my Logitech Brio and my Logitech C922 review, and if you're really on a budget, look at the C270, which you could get around $40 or so nowadays, possibly even cheaper. That camera was a lot better, more reliable, and in the end, if you have to take a video meeting, you got to make sure the stuff works. This camera did not, and it had some issues. So there you have it, folks. This is the XPCam 4K. I don't think it's 4K. There was latency, there was disconnecting issues, and I just didn't want to deal with it. There's no way to compare it to two quality products when the product is not of quality. I'm sorry, I'm going to give this 2 thumbs down. There are other webcams that I'm going to be testing that are 1080p, not advertised as 4K. And if you look on Amazon, a lot of the reviews share what I just experienced. Also, they share the quality issues of it truly not being a 4K camera. I hope you enjoyed this review. As always, I keep it honest, I keep it moving, and I would appreciate if you did me the biggest favor, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, comment below if you had issues with this camera or if there's any other camera you want me to review. I'll reply, and I'll catch you guys here in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Visibility on Instagram and check out techvisibility.com. The XP 4K webcam, no go. Sorry. Bye.